Hello everyone, I'm Glauber Ferreira from Campo Grande, Mato Grosso do Sul in Brazil. This lesson is for week 1 of Introduction to Music Production at Coursera.org. I'll be teaching types and usage of important studio cables using some pictures I got from the internet. The first one we will be looking at is the quarter-inch cable, aka instrument cable, or TS cable. Here in Brazil, it is known as Cabo P10. It has a 6.35 mm jack and two segments. One is the tip and the other is the sleeve. It is called a single conductor cable because the signal is sent over the connection on the tip, and the sleeve works as a shield to prevent noise from getting into the cable. They come in a variety of colors and shapes, but the size of the tip plus sleeve plug stays unaltered. Despite of the shield, this type of cable is still susceptible to noise, and that is why they should be as short as possible. Our next cable might look just as the TS cable, but it is not. A closer look will reveal that it has a third section. It is called TRS cable, and it has two conductors plus the shield. It can be used as a stereo cable, transmitting two different signals, which will still be susceptible to noise, or it can be used in a way, in a balanced way, in which only one signal is sent through the cable, but in a way that it cancels noise. Then we have XLR cables. These cables have three connectors. They work in the balanced way, and because of that are recommended for long distance connections, just as the TRS cables. XLR cables are quite different from TRS. They are standard for microphones and have a small security lock. Sometimes you might need to convert from unbalanced cables to balanced cables. To do so, you are going to need a direct box. Another common type of cable that you might be familiar with is the 1/8-inch cable used in your headphones. Here in Brazil, we call it a P2, and basically it is just a smaller version from the TRS cables. It works just the same way. Last but not least, there are RCA cables, widely used in home video features. They are used in the same way as the TS cable because they have one conductor and a shield. Remember that unbalanced cables should be as short as possible, and that to long distance connections, balanced cables are preferred.